This is Invention 7, the undercover device on the Avengers Hero Inventor Kit.
You ready for another bout?
This invention uses littleBits, Bluetooth low energy bit, right here, with the light sensor bit. That's a new one. This one right here. Connecting the light sensor before the Bluetooth low energy bit, so the power goes here, connects it to the app. This is what you should have in the end once you're done. Okay, now we're actually gonna put it in. So you put that right there, which is going to connect, and you can push that. First, you need to connect this to the battery.
It seems to run on some form of electricity.
My goodness, messing everything up. And now, we finally got it done. Okay. Now, once you put it in, put the battery in, which I've already done. Now you put the head on. Put this part outside, so it won't get stuck. Okay. Now I'll go to the next. You should have this. Power it on. The light sensor is in dark mode. Set the light sensor to dark mode, so it should be facing the sensor and the sensitivity thing. Move the slider all the way to the right. The sensitivity. So move the sensitivity to the plus sign all the way. Now I have to put this on. Let's fit that there. Okay, so there. What you should have when you're done. Nice. Now, here comes the coding. That wasn't a good snap. That was not a good snap. Now it's connecting. And this is the code that I've done. My goodness. I cannot do this stuff. So start. It's another condition. If then else. If the signal from input is on, then send scrolling text, what are you doing, to output 1. Or else send, what is this? Send on to signal output 1. Hello, comma. What are you doing? Question mark. So that's what it's supposed to do. Type your message into the send scrolling text block. This block will send text to your round LED matrix. As you see, you can type any text you want on this one block. Let me do a different one. I made it a little longer. And now to run, this is my channel, comma, code, Braden, period. Basically, the if then else, then the if then block is signal from input is on, which means when you run the code, all of these buttons work. So this, the Bluetooth low energy bit goes to here. Wait, no. The Bluetooth low energy bit goes to the LED, and the Bluetooth low energy bit says the signal is on, which means it's connected. And then send scrolling text. This is my channel code Braden to output 1, which is output 1 is the LED matrix. So do forever. The do forever loop is something that keeps going on, is a block that keeps going on until you stop the code. And this if then else is a condition you need to have if you want something to happen or something else to happen. So one condition is signal from input is on. That's an if then. And then if that is true, then send scrolling text. This is my channel code Braden to output 1. If it's something else happening, then send off the input off signal to output 1. So as this is true and going on, this is sending the this text to the arm, the LED matrix light. If this is disconnected, then this will turn off. This sends scrolling text. This is my channel code Braden to output 1 is showing on the LED matrix. And if it's not connected, it'll show this light. Well, you can customize it from the other inventions, but this is what my light looks like. This is the end of the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Be ready for part 3. Bye for now.